Number 7. This shape is made from a part of a square and a part of a circle. What is the perimeter of this shape? So right now, if I'm looking at this shape, I know this side, this side, this side, this side, but I don't know this corner piece. So this is what's missing from the outside. And perimeter means the entire outside of the shape. So at the moment, I could add up these 4 numbers, okay? 5 and 10, 5 and 10, together that's 30. So 30 plus something equals the perimeter. But I need to figure out what that number is. Well, it is in the shape of a circle. Now, is it a whole circle? No. How many of these pieces would I need to make a full circle? 4. So that means this is only a quarter of a circle. Well, I can still figure out the entire circumference, and then I'll divide it by 4 at the end, or times 1/4. So, R equals, D equals, C equals. Well, right now, here's the center of my circle. My radius is from center to the rim. Well, that would be 5. If the radius is 5, I know I do times 2 to get 10 for the diameter. Now for my circumference, I'm going to do diameter times 3.14 in my calculator. So it's going to be 31.4. Again, that would be if I had a full circle, but I don't. I only have 1/4. So I'm going to divide this by 4. Or you can multiply by 1/4. That means the same thing because they're opposites, right? All right, well, in my calculator, 31.4 divided by 4, I get 7.85. Well, I'm not done yet because that is what goes here. So now I need to add that to my other perimeter, my 30. All right, 30 plus 7.85, my total perimeter is 37.85. There are no units, so I don't have to worry about that. Part B, well, what is the area of this shape? Okay, well, now I need to think about the inside, the shaded part. Okay, for this, we're going to cut it up into shapes we know. So I've got 3 shapes now, rectangle, square, and a quarter of a circle. Well, I'm going to quick solve these ones because I know how to find the area of a square and a rectangle. 5 times 5, 25. 5 times 10, 50. So now I know 75 plus something is going to get me my total area. But again, I don't know what that inside something is. So I need to find my parts of a circle and solve for area. All right, well, R is still the same, 5. Diameter is still the same, but this time I need to use my radius to find my area. Well, I know that area is radius squared times 3.14, or radius times 3.14. So 5 times 5 is 25 times 3.14 in my calculator, 78.5. Now again, that is if I had a whole circle. If this was fully around, but it's not. I only have a quarter. So I need 4 of these to make a full circle. So that means I need to divide this number by 4. When I do that, I get 19.625. So that is what this piece is worth. So now I just need to add that to my 75. So 19.625. When I put those together, I get 94.625, or if you want to round it, you could say 94.63. I would take both of those as correct.